Do you know you can earn money with pictures on your phone? Do you know? Omo, I bring better update for you guys. As it shock you, and so it shock me. Yes, they made payment yesterday. I waited before payment before I can make this video so that I can show you guys proof. These are the proofs. You can see it on the screen. I waited till yesterday so that I can be able to make these pictures and verify if they are really paying. And do you know the sweetest part? You don't need to pay for any website registration, mentorship registration. It's all free. What is it called again? You don't need to buy any course just to earn on this site. As in, it is free. It is free, yes. Company that is paying is called High Flyer. They are tech company that are using pictures to train AI models. Yes. So you need your NIN. The reason why they required NIN is to avoid too many registration. You understand? So that one person cannot register twice. You don't need your BVN. They don't even need your money. All they need is a picture. Yes. Your picture is not even compulsory if you want to earn on this website. See, if you register, you'll be required to perform a task, which is to back up your pictures on Google Photos and submit to the site, which I will be showing you guys. If you have more than 100 and more eligible pictures, you will get up to 5K or 10K once you submit it and they approve it. This company focus on technologies. They are using image to train the artificial intelligence model. Aside the 10K for the tax, if you register someone under you, you will get 1K. Is that not amazing? If you refer someone, you will get 1K, and that person you refer finish his or her tax by submitting the picture, you will get 3K. You understand? So it's a win-win for everybody. If you have up to 5K in your account, you can withdraw it. They pay every weekend. They pay every weekend. Seriously, I'm very happy because you don't need to refer anybody just to earn on this platform. All you need is just your phone and the photos you need. Voila, a lot of people are making a lot of money in this platform. I've shown you evidence that's so video. Let's dive into the website so that I'll show you how to register, how to perform your tax, how to back up your pictures, and many of them. But before then, coming across my video for the first time, please do well to like, subscribe, put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified, because this YouTube page is all about how to I make money online, and I want you to do the same. Because tell me, Christmas is fast approaching and a lot of people want to make money, and if you're old subscribers, please and please like and comment so that YouTube will push this video to more people to get to see it. You understand? So guys, let's dive into the video. If you watch till this point and you haven't subscribed, like or comment. ah why are you doing like this? It's not easy. It's not easy to do research, verify, and and come up with this paying Assumptions website. Please do well and subscribe. Let's dive into the video. I don't want to waste you guys time.
So for those that are asking, this is a full video of how to register. First of all, you input your name, your first name. If you have middle name, you input it here. If you don't have middle name, you just put your surname. You select your gender, female. That's if you're a female. If you're a man, you select male. Then you select your skin color, I mean a skin tone. You put your email, then you put your date of birth. You select country, Nigeria. You put your phone number. You select network provider, MTN. You put your what are they calling it, your name, this place. Then you put your You choose how you heard about the stuff, if it's social media, if it's friends, anyone. I choose friends. Then this referral codes, I just leave it that way. You click on select bank. This bank is where they will send you your money whenever they want to send you your money for completing tax. So you make sure your details are correct. Put your account number, make sure it's correct. Then your account name. Then this place you choose I confirm. Here you choose no I am not. And there you choose I agree. Then click on I satisfy that all the information provided on this platform is true and accurate. Then you click on verify and sign up. It's not hard. It's not hard.
So now this is the next video. After backing up your picture and it says backup complete, come to your profile icon again, click on it, go to photo settings, click on this photo setting down there. You see in this page here, you see preferences. Click on preferences. Make sure that you turn on group similar faces. See group similar faces there. You see photos of your favorites. Turn on here. Make sure face group is turned on. Make sure help contact to recognize your face is turned on. Face label, you're going to see something like face label. This your face label. They are going to say they will show you a face and they will tell you to choose if it is your face. If it is your face, you click. If it is not, it's not your face, you say no. Okay, and that place will be turned on as face labeled as me. Okay, make sure you get to this point. When you finish that, you go to stack similar photos and make sure your stack similar photos is turned on like this. When you're done, when you're done when you're done, you now come here. You now come back to this page where you see photos memories collection set. Click on it. When you click on it, type in under here, type in people and pets. Type in people and pets. People. Okay, if you don't see people and pets and you see only people, click people. But if you see people and pets, use people and pets. If you don't have people and pets, if you type and it doesn't come up, just use people. Okay, so when it comes it will show you this interface. Now it will show you so many faces. At first, when you're starting, like me, I've already done it. When you're starting, they'll bring out face 2 photo. You see face 2 photo before this many photos down. You see 2 photos. They will tell you choose. Choose. They will say same, different. So you're the one. They will show you 2 face. You're the one to tick. If the 2 face that are showing you is the same, you tick face. You tick same. If the 2 face that are showing you is your face is not among any of those 2, you choose different. They will bring out another 2 face again. They will still tell you to choose. If it is same, choose same. If it is different, choose what different. After that one has finished, they will bring you down to this other one that is now showing with many people's photos, and they will now tell you to select which one is your face. So you choose your face. They will tell you choose again. They will bring out another. They will keep bringing out photos from your gallery that has your face in it, and they will ask you if it is same. Keep clicking same and until you get to done. Then they will give you thank you for they'll tell you thank you something. Okay, when you finish, like now this is my face. Have you seen? This is my face. It has 449 photos of me. So make sure that you have photos of you that is much, so that they will select it. Have you seen? So you have to do this. You have to get to that point that I've just mentioned now. You have to do this. If you don't get to this point and keep clicking same so that Google will recognize your face, you will not be able to submit. Okay, so when you finish this stage now, you wait for like 2 hours for this phone to pick up your face, these Google Photos to respond and pick up your face, so that when you get to the link for submission, immediately you click the link and sign the consent form, that you agree, accept and agree. You'll be able to do what? You'll be able to your face, that you automatically see pictures of all of you, and Google will tell you to scroll down. You scroll down, and Google, it will tell you the number. If you have up to 100, you see that 100 pictures selected or 100 photos selected. Sometimes, depending on how many photos you have, sometimes 150, sometimes one something. So when you see up to that amount, that means you have up to 100 eligibles and even more. And then you click submit. When you click on submit, you now make sure that you screenshot that place that says thank you for helping us, that you have submitted successfully. Now thank you, screenshot that page. You now go to step 2 on that email or welcome email that says step 2. You click on that email to put your NIN, your name, and attach that screenshot and submit. That is how to submit it. So in the next video, I will show you how to use that link to submit your photos.
You want to submit your picture, this is what you do. All you have to do is go to your Gmail. Then you search for this message, High Flyer Community. Then you click on it. It takes you to this place. You scroll down. Then step 1 says submit your photo using the simple steps outlined here. That here is where you will click again. But if you are someone that have submitted before but you are finding it difficult, all you have to do is click on this here. For a long time, you see, this thing will come out. Then you copy the URL and paste in your Chrome and try it from there instead of trying it from here. But if this is your first time, all you have to do is click on this here. It will take you to this place. Then you scroll down again. You scroll down again to this is number 5. You scroll down to number 6. This is number 6. You click on it. It will take you to this place. It will take you to this place. Then you will do get started. Get started. Your pictures here will all show up, including your throwback self, because what is here is throwback of 2020. So all you have to do is pick up to 100 pictures. 100. Why this one is 31? I've submitted before, and most of these pictures are throwback, far back, and pictures that is on Facebook and all the other things. So all you have to do is, after selecting up to 100 pictures that are yours, then you will see submit here. Why my own is not showing is because the pictures is not up to 100. Then you submit. When you submit, then you will get something like what is it called? A message telling you thank you for contributing. All you have to do immediately is screenshot that message. When you screenshot it, then there is another thing that will come out. You submit it. But if at all you did not get that form for submission, no problem. Let me know about it. Then I will send you the form to submit. That's all. That's how to submit your pictures. No stress at all.